Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at some of the funniest and most unforgettable moments from the Big Bang Theory. If you a fan of Sheldon Cooper and his hilarious group of friends, then you are definitely going to enjoy this review. One of the best things about this collection of sense is how different each character is. Sheldon is extremely intelligent, but he struggles with normal social situations. That combination creates some of the funniest moments in the entire show. One sense that really stands out is when Sheldon and Leonard are trying to sleep, but instead of resting, they started debating comic book character and superheroes. What begins as a simple conversation quickly turns into a long argument about quoting ranking X-Men characters and other nearly topics. The funniest part is how serious they are about something that most people would even think about. Another great moment comes when Romano becomes fascinated with Sheldon. She admires his intelligence and wants to spend time with him, but Sheldon completely misunderstands the situation. While everyone else can clearly see want happy, Sheldon only notices that he getting free food. This perfectly shows why Sheldon is such a unique and entertaining character. The completion also includes several classic Penny and Sheldon moments. Their person are complete opposite, which makes every interaction between them hilarious. Whether they are arguing about rules, sting sport, or social behavior, the conversation never failed to make viewers laugh. One of the funniest running jokes in the series is Sheldon's obsession with rules. He has rules for food, rules for friendship, rules for roommates, and even rules for where people are allowed to sit. When some breaks one of those rules, Sheldon reacts as if it's a major international crisis. Watching everyone try to deal with his behavior creates endless comedy. Howard also delivers many memorable moments throughout the completion. His awkward attempts to impress women often leads to impressing situation, but that externally what makes his characters so funny. Despite all his confidence, things really go according to plan. Another highlighting is the group's constant love for science fiction, comic books, and gaming culture. Whether they are discussing Superman, Green Lantern, Star Trek, or Paintball Stranger, they treat every topic with complete serious. Their passion for geek culture is one of the biggest reasons fan content with the show. The paintball scenes are especially entertaining. The characters act as if they practic- painting practical painting in a real military operation, creating dramatic plans and strangers for what is instantly just a game. Their over the top reaction make this sense absolutely hilarious. What makes this completion special is the chemistry between all the characters. Every member of the group brings something different to the show. Leonard is the reasonable and Sheldon is the genius with social difficulties. Howard provides awkward humor. Raj adds unique reaction and Penny helps balance the group with her practical perspective. Their writing is incredibly clever because it combines scientific references with everyday situations. Even if viewers don't understand every scientific joke, the characters' reaction make the comedy work perfectly. Overall, this collection reminds us why The Big Bang Theory became one of the most popular sitcoms ever created. It combination intelligent humor, lovable characters, and unforgettable moments into a show that remains entertaining even after multiple viewing. If you enjoyed comedy, geek culture, and great characters interaction, these scenes are definitely worth watching. Thanks for watching this review. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews and fun TV moments. See you in the next